No one needs to tell you that heat exchanger tube leaks cost you money. As the person responsible for keeping your heat exchangers operating, you already know traditional tapered pins and elastomer tube plugs can leak or eject, causing increased turnaround costs or forcing you to take the unit offline. But what if there was an easier way? A method that improves the whole tube leak repair process, eliminating repeated repairs, cross-contamination, thermal losses, and damage to the heat exchanger caused by other repair methods. Now there is, with Pop-A-Plug, the safe, easy-to-install, effective, and reliable engineered tube leak repair system from EST Group. So, what makes Pop-A-Plug the superior choice? It's a highly effective and permanent engineered solution to tube failures. The Pop-A-Plug is a proven, quick, and reliable repair method that will greatly reduce the risk of downtime. Here's how it works. The Pop-A-Plug is made of 3 components: a tapered pin, an annealed sealing ring with both internal and external serrations, and a breakaway. The tapered pin is hydraulically pulled through the ring, expanding the ring so that the material squeezes into imperfections and defects within the tube ID to create a seal. When the tube is sealed, the breakaway pops, which separates the installed Pop-A-Plug from the installation tooling. Pop-A-Plugs are engineered to operate at more than 1.5 times the maximum allowable working pressure of the heat exchanger, giving you a safer work environment. And you won't have to worry about ejecting pins injuring your personnel. It's easy to install, typically in less than 15 seconds. No welding, no hammer, and no wrench necessary, decreasing overall repair times and freeing up your personnel to focus on other priorities in the plant. Should a need to retube the exchanger arise, Pop-A-Plugs can be easily removed to facilitate the repair. Unlike hammer-in tapered pins, which only seal at the very edge of the tube, a Pop-A-Plug forms multiple individual seals within the tube. These redundant seals are what makes the Pop-A-Plug so effective. In fact, we designed Pop-A-Plugs to have a service life that far exceeds the life of your heat exchangers. With benefits like this, it's no wonder Pop-A-Plugs are identified in ASME PCC2. And they're the preferred repair method at power plants, refineries, chemical and industrial plants, including 85% of North American nuclear power plants, all French nuclear power plants, and U.S. Navy nuclear ships and submarines. For a safe, easy-to-install, effective, and reliable system, there's only Pop-A-Plug from EST Group. Heat exchanger tube leaks cost you money and uptime, or worse, compromise safety. But that doesn't have to be a problem. To find out more about how simple and effective this solution is, contact us. We'll give you all the details. Thank you.